Understanding the phrase, departed, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, departed. We're going to break down what it means, how to use it in sentences, and look at some examples to make sure you can use it confidently in your own conversations and writing. So, let's get started. Departed is an adjective that describes someone who has left a place or is no longer alive. It comes from the verb depart, which means to leave, especially when starting a journey. When referring to a person who has left a place, it can be synonymous with gone or left. Example, he departed from the party early. When referring to someone who has passed away, it is a more formal and respectful way to say that they have died. Example, our beloved grandfather has departed. Now that we understand what departed means, let's look at how to use it properly in sentences. When talking about someone leaving a place, the train has already departed, we need to wait for the next one. She departed for her home country last week. When talking about someone who has passed away, the departed was a kind and generous person, always ready to help others. We are gathered here to remember the departed and celebrate their life. The word departed carries a certain level of formality and is often used in written English or formal speeches. It is not as commonly used in everyday casual conversations, where people might prefer to use simpler words like left or gone. However, when talking about someone who has passed away, using departed can add a touch of respect and solemnity to the conversation or text. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, departed. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of the word, how to use it in sentences, and the context in which it is most appropriate. Remember, improving your English takes practice, so don't be afraid to start using new words in your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.